What's up guys? So about a couple of weeks ago I received a lot of stuff in the mail, and one of it just happens to be the Marquee CR8S XBT. Now the XBT does stands for the fact that this can actually be used as Bluetooth multimedia speakers, but these are actually really powerful subwoofers that's really going to complement your home studio or any other kind of multimedia setup that you're actually trying to do. But most importantly, this is going to be amazing for your home studio. Now I actually have the box right down here, as you can actually see. I'm just kidding, it's empty, but because I already set up the whole thing. But in this really quick video, I'm going to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions review of what I really think about this product. Now it's all set up, I'm already using it, testing it right about the time I'm making this video, but you are really just gonna like it. Now before we dive right straight into it, first off, big shout out to Marquee for actually sending this over for me to actually test out. I'm gonna leave affiliate links right down to this, and also a lot of Marquee stuff that's just gonna be right down in the description box right down below. Okay, so this is gonna be Marquee summer. I'm gonna be testing a lot of Marquee stuff, coming from speakers, headphones, microphones, you name it. Everything Marquee right here I'm gonna be testing. I'm trying to do my very best to get a lot more, and accessories, everything. Okay, so if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button right down below because you really don't want to miss this. Okay, and also be sure to hit the thumbs up on this video because it's really going to help me in order to get a lot more stuff like this, and it's also going to help somebody out there who's also looking for videos like this. Okay, so it's a win-win situation for everybody right here. Okay, so thank you so much for actually doing that in advance. Okay, and also one more thing, I've been getting a lot of questions about Jade Black. Now it's really simple. Okay, these are blue light polarized lenses, glasses. However, there's a lot of names, a lot of people call it, but these are actually blue light blocking lenses. Now you can actually get this prescribed if you want to, and I do know the sun's coming up right now. It's starting to look a lot brighter outside, and people can actually go out. Depend on where you live, you can actually get sunglasses if you do want to. There's a lot of designs on the website, so just go over to the website. The link is right down below. There's also a discount code that you can actually use for you to get 10% off each time you actually buy using that code and the link that's provided right down below. Okay, and without further ado, let's dive right straight into what we actually have today.
Alright guys, so if you look to my left right here, you see that I do have a box for the CR5X. So I've actually made an unboxing and also a full review video for this one. So I'm just going to link it up here in the card so you can actually just go there and then check it out. These are going to go excellently paired with these subwoofers. Okay, you're not going to want to miss this opportunity. Alright, now let's take a look at the box that we do have here. So I'm just going to slice this one right open straight away, and alright, so taking the box out, this is what we're actually greeted with right here. A really nice, clean, simplistic box. Very Marquee with the whole green and black thing. Very signature Marquee there. I kind of like it. It's simple and it's good. So we're going to go right ahead and then open this one, and then we're going to see what else we have here. So after popping that right open, the very first thing we're greeted with is another tiny box. There's a lot of boxes in this one right now, is it? So I'm just going to take this one out, and we're gonna have just a tiny bit of look inside and see what we're actually dealing with. And if I'm not mistaken, this is actually gonna be our volume control. Now this is actually really nice and really essential for a subwoofer because you want to be able to have like easy volume access control. Now if you take a look at my Iron 8s right there, it doesn't have anything like this. I do have to connect those to an interface in order for me to get the volume control, but being that you can actually use this for multimedia, it's really easy that you just have, like, you know, a nice button or swivel. That's what this one is, more like a scroller that you can actually just use to control your stuff. Really cool there, Marquee. Now moving further and into the box, I'm just gonna take all of this out and I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. So next up, first off, we got a manual right here. Now I do advise that you guys always read the manual because there's always a whole bunch of stuff that you would actually not want to miss from this manual. Okay, so guys, just take a look at it. It doesn't take too much time. All right, now there's a couple cables that does come with this. Okay, first off, you have a traditional cable right here, which is going to be like your RCA, and you also get a power cord right there. Okay, and I already told you what that one is, which is the controller. So I'm going to take all of this plastic off, and then we're going to see what all of this look like without the plastic. And here we are. So we got our cables right here again, and also we got our controller right there with power cord and everything. Looking really good, really nice. Everything is really clean. And we got the speakers itself. Now let's take a look at this one. Now really nice, feels durable and everything. Maybe I'm not the best for the design. It does look a little bit like oval shape. I don't know, tell me what you think in the comments right there below if you actually like the design right there. And so right here up front we get the CR-X8, and it says that this is actually good for your home studio, your content creation, and also your grooving. And most importantly, let's not forget the Bluetooth connection that this does actually come with. Gonna be really interesting to test that and see how it does fare. If possible, I'm also gonna try to connect this to the Iron 8, so just you guys know what it looks like. Now let's have a look at the back and see what we're dealing with here. Now right off the back we have a couple of input connections right there. You got your TRS and also your RCA right there, and also you do have some level of control here, which is really good. It's really nice for you to have a lot of customization and stuff like that. Just tune the sound the way you actually want it to be. Okay, so we got an input right there. I'm gonna figure out what that one is for. And also you got on and off switch right there, and you have where your power source goes right in there. Now there's really not much to say because that really is it basically, guys. So there's one more thing I want to mention. The stands that this does come with is really cool and really amazing. I really love the way they build that, and unlike the Iron 8s right there that doesn't have it, it did scratch my table a little bit, but this one's gonna actually keep it stable, a lot more stable there, and not actually give you scratches and nothing. Okay, let me know what you think about in the comment section right down below. Peace out.
And that was it, guys. So really simple, really nice. Tell me in the comment section right down below what you actually want to see specifically about these speakers. I'm not going to spoil the review right here because I do want to say so much, but I just don't want to say it right here. Okay, this is just a first impressions review. Like I said, be sure to stay subscribed because there's a lot more coming right here for you, both unboxings and also reviews and also comparisons of Marquee stuff. It's gonna be Marquee summer right now, all up to maybe say August. I guess it's all just gonna be Marquee stuff. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you around. Take care.